Greetings. So it is Monday, November the 4th, and 2 days later from the last time that we spoke, and I am sitting in the car waiting for my husband in a rental car, actually. We'll talk about that at a later date. Waiting for my husband because we're about to go see the house. This time change is so annoying because now it's going to be like basically dark by the time that we get there, because we both get off at 5:30, and then we have to get home, and then we have to make it to the actual house. So by the time we're getting there, it's probably going to be like, I don't know, 5:30. No, it's 5:30 now, so that's wrong. Maybe like 5:45. So yeah, we're going to be going and seeing the house pretty late when we go in the evening, so that's annoying. So we'll probably maybe just stick to going and seeing the house on the weekends, on like Saturday or Sunday or something, because this time change is really like working my nerves. So anyway, hopefully I will be able to kind of show you guys what's going on with the house. Like I said, it's kind of dark, so that's gonna like really annoy me with my vlogging stuff. So the bow face lie on you.
Girl, stop. You know I look good.
Here, trying to see what we can see in the dark. Kind of annoying, but
yeah, we didn't take into consideration daylight savings time.
we did. There's nothing we can do about it.
That was an error.
Oh wait, it's the garage. Of course it wasn't here last time. We got a whole garage. And y'all can't see not one bit of it.
We didn't have the garage door last time, did we?
I know. I'm telling you. Flash it over here. Yes. A garage.
That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Ooh, what's this? What's that for? What's that gonna get?
Dang, I'm looking for some countertops. This is an epic fail. Never again will we.
Yeah, there you go.
Never again will we come during the night, because this ain't gonna work. So.
I mean, it's not even night. It's 5:30, 6 o'clock.
I know. We'll just have to come once a week on like Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah. Well, we have to do Sunday.
You look cool.
I know it. I always look cool.
Oh. Their paint job. I don't know if this is chipped paint. I don't know.
Yeah, it's chipped.
I mean, I don't know if they were gonna do another coat. But yeah, that's all type of chipped. So there's that. Let me show y'all something else I need them to fix. That, you can't really see it, but you can see it a little bit. You
can see it when you compare it to that one over there.
Yeah, it's not even touching, so that's not gonna work. This one looks good over here. Yeah, that one looks good. That one looks crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna need them to fix that as well, cause I said so.
As far as the color go, I could paint it white. Oh shit.
Okay, you guys, so our loan officer just called telling us that he's working late today. Today's the same day, November the 4th, and asked us if he wanted us to drop off some documents because, you know, after we had that chat, I feel like he really got serious, and so he sent us a bunch of documents to e-sign and all of that, but we just didn't get to them, and we had to send him a bunch of stuff too. So anywho, we are about to, I was like, would it be easier for us to just come there and do all of this stuff? Plus we can talk about some stuff. And he said yes. So we are compiling bank statements, pay stubs, all of that. And hopefully this is the last time that he has to actually, you know, do what he has to do. And he gets all the documents that he needs and all the papers signed and whatnot, so he can send those to the loan processor. So just thought I would update you guys. If there's anything to talk about when we get back, then I will update you guys on that as well. Today is Tuesday, November the 5th. I always think it's important to kind of preface any video with that, so I know and so everybody knows what day it is. So on this is a follow-up regarding the loan officer situation. So on Saturday, we talked about our conversation on Saturday. It was on yesterday, on Monday, when he sent us some documents. He sent us the documents over to be signed whenever, you know, I haven't shared everything that has been, because I'm pretty chill and lenient. Like, I'm like practical and realistic, so I know that, you know, like, what I'm trying to say is he had sent us some documents prior, maybe a couple of weeks ago, that we couldn't access, and I told him that, and he didn't say anything back. He didn't contact us back. I told the realtor, like, what are these documents? Do you know what's going on here? And the realtor called him, the loan officer, and was asking him about it, and we still never got access to the documents. Anyway, long story short, he sent us the emails for the documents, and he sent us some other stuff, and he sent us an email regarding what all we needed to give to him so he can, like, send all of the information over. So I don't know what has happened between a couple of days ago and today, but yesterday he called at like 6:30 p.m. and told us that he was working late and asked us had we gotten those documents signed and printed and whatever, and if so, would we want to bring them to him later that evening. I mean, it's dark outside at this point because it's like 6:30 and it gets dark early now, which is annoying because going to the house is not going to work out for us after work because it's going to be getting dark. So I don't know, I guess we'll just go see it once a week on Saturday or Sunday or something. Sunday, because we don't work on Sundays. But anyway, so we went to the office, and I'm just updating you guys regarding that because I get confused. No, I'm not confused. I did talk to you guys about that here. If not, either way, we went to his office yesterday. We took our updated pay stubs, mine and my husband's. We emailed our bank statements. We have 3 bank accounts, technically 5, 3 are active. And so we sent the bank statements. We just go into the app and it has our bank statements there. And then you can email them or text them or whatever. So we just emailed those straight to him for all 3 of our accounts. And then we took in our W-2s, which I gave him those before, but neither here nor there. We took in our W-2s from 2017 and 2018 from our full-time jobs. I don't know if I've shared this with you guys before, but the mortgage underwriter, the loan processor, the loan officer, none of them care about the fact, not them personally, but they don't care about the fact that I do make money online or my husband has side hustles or whatever, because I have not been doing it long enough, and so therefore it doesn't count. So basically what I'm trying to say is although I make all of this money online, it doesn't matter. It doesn't play a part into, you know, what we can afford, anything, because I haven't been doing it for at least 5 years. I've only been doing it for 2 years, and I actually only have the W-2s to prove it for 1 year, because the first year when I started, I didn't even make that much money. I made like $300 the first year when I started YouTube and making money online from 27, like the last quarter of 2017. That's when I started YouTube, and I didn't make that much. So yeah, there's that. YouTube didn't send me the little 1099 form because I had only made like $400 or something like that. But anyway, so I already gave him those documents, but we gave them to him again. And then it was really educational because we talked a lot about our interest rate and points and locking in interest rates and all of that. And it made a lot of sense to me at the time. I've kind of forgotten some of it overnight, but like, we are trying to get the lowest interest rate that we can possibly get. And of course, the lowest mortgage amount that we can possibly get as well. But yeah, we kind of talked about all of that, and he said he was going to send off all of that information. At that point, once all of it gets sent to the loan processor, then that person will compile all of the documents and whatever that they need and with their little packet, and then they'll send it to the mortgage underwriter. And then after that takes place, provided we don't have to send any additional information, then the underwriter will approve the loan if everything looks good, and then instead of us being pre-approved, we will be actually approved. So then we just wait for the house to be completed. As of the other day, we have a garage, so we still don't have cabinets or flooring or anything like that. So I guess, you know, that'll happen in the coming weeks, of course. Still expected to close on Friday, December 20th, which is kind of purposeful because that's my last full day at my full-time job, and then I'm off until after the new year. So my best friend's coming down to help move and all of that. And here's my husband calling. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, I was doing a video. Hey, bye. Love you. Anywho, so where was I don't really know, but that is kind of just an update regarding the whole mortgage situation. And I'm feeling really good. My husband and I are feeling really good, in a really good space. We were having some feelings of doubts and worry and stress and anxiety and all of that just because of his absenteeism, our loan officer, and us kind of like not being in the loop. I don't really like that at all. It doesn't work for me. That's just not the way that I am. We probably could stand to be a little bit more relaxed in some areas. Although we are pretty relaxed, but some areas do cause us stress. Mostly the unknown. Because like what I would never want to happen is that we go to closing or something and we are not prepared for whatever it is that we need to be prepared for because we haven't been in contact with our realtor or loan officer. I mean, you know, we've been in contact with the realtor, but you know, the loan officer. Or we wouldn't want to go to closing thinking we're putting X amount down on the house when really we need more than that. Like, we need to be clear about all of this stuff, especially regarding, you know, the money aspect of it, because we need to be prepared. So anyway, I will continue to provide you guys with updates as we move through the process. And, you know, of course, at the end of this, I hope to do a mortgage series type of situation. I would say that if my loan officer had been more active, then this process I would say that it has been a breeze, but because he was a little absent, it has not really been a breeze. But I mean, it hasn't been really stressful, I can say that. But anyway, I will continue to keep you guys updated. I will catch you in the next segment of this video, because this is probably going to be tacked on to another part of the video. Bye guys. Greetings. Today is Saturday, November the 6th. And listen, I'm just determined to see some countertops. So I'm just gonna keep coming until I see some countertops. Close your eyes. Y'all, I got a sneak peek. Follow me. Follow me in there. Over here. Keep your eyes closed.
They're closed. I'm guessing you got cabinets.
No.
I mean countertops.
Keep your eyes closed.
They closed.
Keep your eyes closed. I got you. I got you.
Look, you gotta tell me the steps.
Jump. Jump. Open your eyes.
Oh, wait! We got floors!
Open your eyes. Oh.
Yo! We ain't got no countertops, but we got floors.
We don't have no countertops.
Ooh, we gotta watch how we walk.
How you acting?
Yeah, I shouldn't have stepped.
They got steps right here. They put this footprints right there.
Well, they gonna have to clean this up.
What you think?
I love this.
Oh my God.
We got carpet?
This is so cool.
I love our floors.
Just when I was about to throw away.
Yeah, I like that.
What's in here? I can't see. Why does it get dark? Come on. Oh my gosh.
It's real. Your room is real.
Look at my office, you guys. It's not nearly as brown, but I see. Like, it looks really brown as he puts.
I thought we were trying to get like the grayish kind of.
I thought.
We picked like the grayish.
Come on, let's see.
Gray and brown. You know that.
Well, come on, let's see.
We picked the most grayish one.
Looks great. Viewmont Street. Man, low key, I think they just putting whatever the heck they want.
Yeah.
Wait. What's on the? Okay.
I saw that one was in here.
No, I was wondering if there was carpet.
Might be something in one of the rooms up here.
Nah, they probably really even put that till last.
Yeah.
Your house about finished.
Still need to finish this right there.
If you got
Oh!
snappity snap.
Nah, I like that.
Okay, so they have different people to lay different
I
stuff.
like that. I like that floor.
But look,
I love that floor.
look.
So they must have did the hardwood floors today.
They have to finish in here before the carpet people come, because I can't imagine.
Our bathroom.
Oh my gosh, you go first. Oh, some light.
I like it.
Where are my countertops? They gotta be next. Cause they're so stinking cool.
So we need countertops, we need door handles, outlet covers.
I can't wait till my vlogging camera gets here, you guys, because then it does really well in low lighting. I didn't get the vlogging camera just for this reason, but because it's gonna be really helpful just for many different things. But
So that's gonna be my morning routine. I'll get out of bed, I'll walk over to the window, open up my blinds. Ha! Another great morning. Let's get the day started.
okay.
Yeah, a little bit much.
A little over the top, but matters not. You do whatever you want to do, because I ain't your mama.
As long as you know that we get. What did they paint right here? Oh, did they paint?
Follow me and everything is alright. It's gonna be my morning routine.
Party! Party!